आगे कर.
Really interesting.
This is worth ₹60. तीखा तो है, बहुत तीखा है. To make a vision board for 2025. Hey, our beautiful people! Can you believe it? 2024 is packing its bags and we are about to hit the refresh button for 2025. Time really flies when you are, well, trying to keep with everything, right? This year was like that one roller coaster ride where you scream, laugh, and question your life choices all at the same time. But here we are, still standing, still fabulous, and maybe just a little more tired. Good morning from Dudu as well. Hi, so welcome back to the long form of videos again. I know, it's been 7 months and I just disappeared bina kuch bole aise hi. But trust me, when the life hits, it hits really hard and you don't understand what you have to do, what you don't have to do. And I was emotionally, mentally very drained and have very less energy because people in the comment sections were also there and I received a few emails as well. So I was not in that zone to reply to all of them because I knew ki they were just here to pull me back and I was someone who let them affect me and I didn't want that. So I took a 6 months gap from social media. Everywhere I was nowhere, and then now I decided ki who cares about my life actually, except for me, my parents and my close friends. And when I talked to them, they were really fine with whatever I was doing, how I was, and how my emotional mental health was. So yeah, that's it. And after that I decided ki I'll come back for myself, for my love of making videos. I was never here to showcase my life. I was always here on YouTube to do what I love the most. I love to dance, I love to speak, I do love to act sometimes, and all the random stuff that I love to do, edit videos and everything. So yeah, for that I am back and I think I have become emotionally, mentally more stronger now that other people won't really affect me now because I really know who cares about me and who does not. So that was all I wanted to share while I oil my hair, because when you have a weekend you have a long list of work. Also, washing clothes are a part of it and oiling your hair are another part of the list. So yeah, all the things. And I've also cut my hair short. How does it look? So I showered and then got cleaned, and क्योंकि ये लास्ट वीकेंड होने वाला था तो मैंने और मेरी फ्रेंड ने डिसाइड किया कि थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई करने के बाद कुछ खुराफाती किया जाए. आई मीन लास्ट वीकेंड ऑफ 2024 कुछ तो एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए, राइट? सो वी हैड लंच, डिड आवर स्किन केयर, got a little bit of ready, and then we decided to go to Arthashila Ahmedabad. We did study for around 45 minutes, had lunch, and now I've got ready because I and my friend are going out somewhere. And yeah, that's it. Guys, two types of people in the world. The girl who has done a full face makeup, and there's me who is only happy with her lipstick. So we went there and it is full of art, culture and creativity. So this is the first floor and there were these paintings and we had to find the hidden objects, and this is me trying to shoot whatever I can. It's art everywhere and honestly मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Look, I am a normal girl. तो मेरे लिए आर्ट और कल्चर का मतलब है बस नॉर्मल फेस्टिवल्स, थोड़ी सी पेंटिंग, म्यूजिक या बॉलीवुड सिनेमा, हॉलीवुड सिनेमा. दैट इज ऑल आई नो अबाउट आर्ट. बट व्हेन आई केम हियर, व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट द डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज, जब मैंने देखा कि लोगों ने कलर्स के ऊपर, बिल्डिंग्स के टाइप के ऊपर, हर एक पर्टिकुलर आर्ट और कल्चर के ऊपर पूरी बुक लिख दी गई है, तो आई वॉज ब्लोन आउट. मुझे लगा कि भाई मुझे तो इसका 1% भी कुछ नहीं पता है. सो आई फाउंड अ फ्यू बुक्स विच वर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड थोड़े पेज पलटाए एंड yeah, it was fun. So we are here in the Arthashila and the place is so damn quiet. Here is a small cabin type where I'm sitting and talking, and you look, this is so beautiful. सो फाइनली मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी विच वॉज कॉल्ड आर्ट हार्ट, और उसके स्टार्टिंग के मे बी मैंने 5-6 पेजेस पढ़े. इट वॉज अबाउट हाउ अ वुमन गॉट अ रोल ऑफ द्रौपदी इन थिएटर और मे बी डांस. सो आफ्टर दैट आई वॉज फैसिनेटेड बाई एवरीथिंग अराउंड मी. डिड यू हैव फन?
I had so much fun.
एंड देन में मुझे
And
भी
we have
थोड़ा
some-
बहुत हार्ट हार्ट समझ में आने लग गया. द
I
लास्ट
like
बुक
that
वॉज वेरी
nowhere
इंटरेस्टिंग.
wala book.
Hey you guys, so we came back home. Today was fun and I came back. I washed my face, I changed clothes, and now I am so tired that I lie down on bed for some time. Approx 20-25 minutes and scroll through the phone and pictures and edit a few videos maybe, and then I'll have dinner, and then I'll have no option but to study because I haven't studied much today. So I decided to have my dinner and उसके बाद मन तो नहीं कर रहा था but laptop की screen open की and I started to study for a while because you have no option if you are a student. तुमको पढ़ाई करनी ही पड़ेगी. एंड बस उसके बाद मेरी 11 बजे के बाद तो बैटरी लो हो गई थी तो लाइट्स ऑफ. Good morning. So it's the last Sunday of 2024. Cannot believe it's over. It went too fast. Still processing what all things happened in 2024, but it was a good year and a little bit bad, both of it. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. Right, we gotta go out for a while. See ya soon. Hey, so it's almost 11:20. We're back. We'll rest for a while and then study. सो माई डैड कॉल्ड और मुझे राशन कार्ड और आधार कार्ड का कुछ तो भी करना है. एंड यू नो यू आर रियली एन एडल्ट जब तुमको आधार कार्ड और राशन कार्ड के नंबर्स याद रखने पड़ रहे हैं. I was sitting for a while scrolling through Pinterest, and then I decided that I'll make a vision board for the very first time. I've never ever made a vision board till now. So I am going to make a vision board for 2025. For that, I'm going to go now, print out a few pictures of how I want my life to look like. So I got my prints and I sat down to cut them down, and it was nice. Why nice? Because everything you do for the first time feel nice, and it was nice. That's the mess I've created, guys. That's my vision board and that's my friend's vision board. Yeah, I'm tired now, so Ria will read Harry Potter now. So the last weekend is getting more fun. Why? Because it's the Sunday evening and मैं ना मैगी नूडल्स इन सारी चीज़ों से थोड़ी दूर भागती हूँ because I don't like much. But अभी 5 बज रहे शाम के and मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा भूख लगी कि मैं कुछ भी खा सकती हूँ. And मेरी फ्रेंड इस बात का फ़ायदा उठा रही है and she is making me try this cheese ramen. I have never tried it before, so let's hope अच्छा हो और मेरा स्टमक मेरा साथ दे. गरम है बहुत बहुत. कैसे खाऊं? इतना लंबा लंबा कैसे मुंह में डालूं?
फूफू कर देखा. मैं क्यों आ रही हूँ? फूफू कर.
फूफू रुक जा. इतना कैसे? I don't know how to roll this.
फूफू कर. ठीक है.
तीखा तो है बहुत तीखा. उसके बाद बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गए. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू गो आउट एंड टू हैव आवर संडे डिनर. और हम लोग के पास करने के लिए कुछ नहीं था तो मेरी फ्रेंड मेरे को गिफ्ट शॉप लेके आई एस्थेटिक चीज़ें दिखाने. हमने खाने में 80 रुपीज़ की पानी पूरी खाई है और वही खाना है, हमने 120 रुपए की आइसक्रीम ली है. दिस इज़ हाउ वी मैनेज आवर फाइनेंस.
प्रीमियम अंडर का मटेरियल इज व्हाट 40 का है.
दिस इज वर्थ ₹60. दिस वन इज नाइस. खा ले तू. So that is it for the video. As the year is ending, it's my heartfelt gratitude to everyone watching this video. Thank you so much for watching me, watching my videos till the end. It really means a lot to me. You guys are my courage to step back on the social media again, because it took a lot of courage from my side. Anyways, thank you for hanging in there, and yeah, happy new year. I hope 2025 be the best year for all of us, life-changing year. I'm manifesting it all that I want to do, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye.